Next, let's go over graphing linear equations. When we're graphing linear equations, the first thing we need to make sure of is that we are in slope-intercept form. If it's not already in slope-intercept form, we need to put it in slope-intercept form. Then we're going to plot the y-intercept, where we're crossing the y-axis, and we're going to use our slope to plot 3 other points. So first, we have y equals negative 2x minus 2. This one is already in slope-intercept form because we have y by itself, a number with x, and then a constant. So first we're going to figure out the y-intercept. That's where x is equal to 0. So when x is 0 and we plug that in, we get negative 2 times 0, which is just 0, and then minus 2. So our y-intercept is at 0, negative 2. So I'm going to plot that point. From the origin, we don't go to the left or right any, we just go down 2. There is our y-intercept. Then we need to use our slope and plot some other points. Our slope here is that coefficient that's attached to x, which is negative 2. When we have a negative slope, that's going to be going from the top left to the bottom right. That's that direction. And when it's an integer, that negative 2 is the same thing as negative 2 over 1. And remember, slope is rise over run. So that top number is telling you how much you go up or down. The bottom number is telling you how much you go left or right. So here, we can go down 2 and to the right 1, or we could go up 2 and to the left 1, and that'll get us in the right direction. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go up 2 and to the left 1. We can also go down 2 and to the right 1. And I'm going to go ahead and plot one more point, up 2 and to the left 1. And that gives me a pretty good idea of where this graph goes. Number 2, we've got 2x minus 5y equals 5. This is not in slope-intercept form, so we need to put it in slope-intercept form. I'm going to start by moving over that 2x. So we have negative 5y equals negative 2x plus 5. Then we'll divide by negative 5. Y equals 2 over 5x minus 1. So our y-intercept is where x is equal to 0. That's just this number at the end. That's our value of b. So we go down 1 from the origin. Then our slope this time is positive, so it's going to be going in the direction from the bottom left to the top right. We're going to be going up 2 and to the right 5, or down 2 and to the left 5. So up 2, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another point. Or down 2 and to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no more room to plot anything else, so I'm going to go ahead and graph this one. And there is that line. Finally, we have 32 minus 2x equals 8y. This is almost in slope-intercept form, right? We almost have y by itself and everything in the right order. So first, I'm just going to reorder some things, and then I'll worry about this coefficient. So we can rewrite this as 8y equals negative 2x plus 32. Then when we divide everything by 8, we get y equals negative 2 over 8. Negative 2 over 8 reduces to negative 1 over 4. So negative 1 over 4x plus 4. So here's our y-intercept. We go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can go down 1 and to the right 4, or up 1 and to the left 4. So we go up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And down 1, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, there's no room to graph anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and plot it. So now we have, that is a rough sketch of our line.